Is it a heart attack? What should I do? Well, that is the name of a special presentation being offered by Lehigh Valley's Health Network. Here to tell us all about it is Barbara Hunsinger. She is the Director of Cardiac Services for the Lehigh Valley Health Network in Hazleton. And this special presentation taking place on October 4th. This is a question, I guess, that maybe people do ask themselves. They get feeling strangely. They say, is it a heart attack? And then they're like, nah, it's probably indigestion or what. But you want people to be aware of what the true symptoms are.
Absolutely, Lisa. Most of the time, a lot of people say they would feel like maybe it's a false alarm, put it off. And the statistics really do show that usually people wait at least 2 hours before they decide to even seek help. So, actually knowing the signs and the symptoms and the warning signs of a heart attack, this is what we're trying to convey to the community so that we're going to take it actually from the beginning when you start having symptoms until you actually reach the hospital so that you're aware. So we decided that Lehigh Valley Network down in Allentown has decided that they're going to put this program on here in Hazleton for our community, which I think is great. So we are going to have it Wednesday, and it is going to be October 4th at the Health and Wellness Center. It will be from 6 to 7:30 p.m. There is registration, okay? Mm-hmm. Registration number is 888-402, and it is LVHN. So when you register, you will actually be calling a network number, and they will actually sign you up for the program. It will be held in the Health and Wellness Center in the lower level. We do have 3 physicians, which are actually going to be our main speakers. And it seems to be it's going to be a great event.
Why do you think people do put off? Like, they say, it's not really this. Is it because we lead such crazy lives these days that we're always rushing and we don't have the time to be sick?
True. And I think people are actually afraid sometimes to think that they are having a heart attack. Mm-hmm. They're afraid to admit it. So I think that's part of it. So just remember that, we want you to seek help as fast, as soon as you can, actually. And the thing of it is also I want you to realize is women especially, we seem to put it off, okay? We do not know the warning signs. They may be a little bit different than men. You will still probably maybe have the chest pain, shortness of breath. But remember, sometimes women actually have nausea, vomiting, and you can also have pain in your jaw or just in your arm. So you can ignore any of these symptoms.
All righty. So how do we avoid a heart attack for anybody watching right now?
All right. Some of the things that I think and I'm passionate about is don't smoke. Don't be around secondhand smoke. If you are a diabetic, make sure that you are controlled. Take your meds. Make sure you get regular checkups. Those things are very important. Stay active. I always tell my patients, even if you walk 5 minutes a day, you do need to continue to be active, and that is very, very important. Make sure that you're controlled, your high blood pressure. That is also very, very important. Maintain a healthy weight, okay, as best as you can, and try to eat as healthy as possible. So those are the things that I think are important.
Alrighty, and if you would like more information, this is the perfect opportunity. This special program called Is It a Heart Attack? What Should I Do? You will find out what to do. And again, it's taking place Wednesday, October 4th, starting at 6 p.m. at the Health and Wellness Center. That's right across from Walmart on the Airport Beltway in Hazel Township. So please call and register for this special event. It literally could save your life.